Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. In this session, I will demonstrate how to create a split screen using Filmora. So, let's dive in and get started with the tutorial. Add black color solid from stock media. Set duration to 6 seconds. Add another light gray color solid. Unlock the scale, and change the X value to 74%. Y scale remains unchanged. Add another solid color screen, and adjust the duration. Lock the first and the second layer. Change the X scale of the selected layer to 25%. Change the X position of the layer to -471. Move the playhead at the starting point of the timeline, and add the first keyframe. At the first keyframe position, you have to reduce the size of the layer. Set X scale to 0, and position X to -708. Move the playhead to the 1 second duration. Change the X scale to 25, and the X position to -471. Add another solid screen at the top of the track. Lock the previous layout. Set the X scale to 20, and change the position accordingly. Move the playhead to the starting point of the layer. Reduce the size of the layer at the first keyframe position. X scale should be 0. Move the playhead to the 2 second position. Change the X scale to 20, and the X position to -521. Add a title, and go to the Advance option. Remove the text. Add a round shape, and remove the fill color. Change the color of the shape fill and the shape border to green. Set the size of the round shape. Hide all the solid color layouts. Take a snapshot of the round shape. Add snapshot to the timeline. Unhide all the layouts. Move the playhead at the 2 second duration. Set the position of the round shape accordingly. Add a keyframe here. Move the playhead at the 1 second duration. Reduce the size of the round shape, and position it accordingly. Make sure that the scale of the round should be 0 at 1 second position. The left side part of the split screen is ready. Export the video. Import the exported video, and add it to the timeline. Lock the layout. The lock option always helps you to select the right layout. Add a title to the timeline and adjust the duration. Go to the Advance option and add a square shape. Set the size and position of the shape. Change the shape fill color in Shaper border color to green. Hide the below track. Take a snapshot. Add snapshot to the timeline and adjust the duration. Unhide the track. Change the scale of the square shape to 0. Move the playhead at the 1 second duration and add the keyframe. Move the playhead at the 2 second duration and increase the size of the shape. Now the split screen template is ready. Export the video. Import the exported split screen template. Add the template to the timeline. Go to the AI tools and enable the chroma key. If the green screen does not change automatically, then use Pen tool of chroma key and click on the green color. Add a video for the round shape and lock the top layer. Change the size and position of the video accordingly. Add another video for the square shape and lock the top 2 layers. Change the size and position of the video accordingly. Let's add some text and images. Add a title and go to the Advance option. Change the text, increase size, change color and position. Add animation for the text. You can use any preset animation. I have added some more text here. You can also add text as per your requirements. You can also change the duration of the animation from here. I have also added some social media icons. Reduce the size of the icons and set position accordingly. I have added animation for the icons, and set the duration of the animation. That's all from today's tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.